Opening shot मिल गया.
I'm a rocket man. I'm a lock it.
We're in the CSC neighborhood of South Mumbai. At that time, it wasn't a bar. It started in 1875 as a bhelpuri stall. भाई ये जगह पिछले 5 मिनट में एकदम से 4 टेबल बन गई. पंजाब सिंध रेस्टोरेंट है. यहाँ दारू मिल रही है तो हम आ जाओ.
To my dear friend Shivam, may this show conquer all greater heights.
Oh man, that's the commitment I expect from my girlfriend whenever I have one. Pull out 2 phones. हम अंदर गए. हमने टेबल भी पकड़ी, but
निकाल लिया venture.
निकाल दिया venture. It's a hot, humid Friday evening, and we're in the CSC neighborhood of South Mumbai. CST short for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, also formerly known as Victoria Terminus, named after, of course, Queen Victoria, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built during the British rule in 1887, CST is the last station in South Bombay on Mumbai's Central Line. Dotted with Victorian-era buildings and Gothic architecture and this omnipresent Bombay hustle energy. We're going to be visiting some really iconic dive bars in the area, and joining me today for that is a friend I've known for almost 2 decades now. He's an incredible actor that you may recognize from shows like Aranyak and Garmi. Is my very, very pretty looking friend and fellow UP man, Tejasvi Chaudhary. What's up? Are we ready to get some drinks?
Let's get drunk, buddy.
Yeah, let's get drunk for sure,
And
bhai.
look at this shit, guys. It's phenomenal.
You've been in Bombay for how long now?
Bro, I came in 2014.
For college.
Yeah.
College was close by here only, no?
College was right here in town. It's a bit like this Gothic architecture.
I also don't like that we've sort of lost specificity in architecture.
Yeah.
Detail. This area like does have so much character, no doubt
A
about
lot
it.
of it, a lot of
But
it.
look at the fucking line, bro. At Aram Vada Pav.
I'm craving a vada pav now.
Should we
bro.
get it? Let's get the drinks, then we'll get the vada pav.
Yeah.
The first place that we're going to, bro. I don't know if you've ever been. This place, this bar, is actually older than CST itself.
Fuck no.
Yeah. CST was made in 1882.
Okay.
This bar was opened, I mean, at that time it wasn't a bar. It started in 1875 as a bhelpuri stall.
Shit.
Yeah.
You can see Vitthal Bhelwala.
Exactly.
I wanna have some bhel now, bro.
We will have bhel.
है ना? We
Yeah,
should,
100%.
we should. Sorry, nutritionists.
Sorry,
today.
nutritionists. Since 1875. Damn, bro.
Blown away.
You think Mangal Pandey and all? Iconic. 150-year-old. Let's get some. Let's get beer. पिएगा? क्या पिएगा?
Beer पीते हैं, bro.
आप कब से यहाँ पर हैं?
92 से
92 से भाई हमारे पैदा होने से पहले।
हाँ, bro. Ready to go.
मैंने सुना है यहाँ पे चखने का भी कुछ है अनलिमिटेड वाला।
लिमिटेड है
लिमिटेड है।
लिमिटेड
I don't know if I've drank in a place जो 20 साल पुरानी है. The bar technically has not been around, but
Yeah.
I feel like the establishment,
The Vitthal spirit.
the Vitthal spirit. पनीर पकौड़ा, cheese पकौड़ा, मूंग भाजी, correct. And ये तो पहले हमारे आ गए थे, खीरा वगैरह, गार्लिक चटनी, थोड़ी सी हो जाए. Very good. बहुत सही है ना?
मस्त है भाई.
बहुत सही
मस्त
है.
bro. खीरा खाओ उसके साथ.
खीरा ये खा के देख भाई ये जो चीज पकौड़ा है ये मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कितना अच्छा निकला है.
केचप के साथ अच्छा लगेगा.
केचप के साथ खाने का
मिक्स पकोड़ा
ये अरे सर हम इतना सारा आप अपना इतना खिला दोगे तो हम पियेंगे कैसे.
No, everything is top class.
It's important to me for my eating experience to be at least enjoyable if not outstanding.
Always, bro. Always. Like,
know?
I mean, whatever you're getting at that establishment should be nice. I mean, you're paying all that money, especially at an expensive place.
100%. ये फेमस भेल
हाँ.
ये सेव पूरी क्या बात है सर
Thank
प्लीज
you,
और
thank
खाना मत दीजिएगा.
हाँ.
हमारा जो एक्सपर्टीज है
हाँ.
वो पीने में लाया करता है.
घुस जा प्लेट में.
I think there's some flavors that are coming later क्योंकि इतना कुछ है.
रामू जी बहुत बढ़िया है. रामू
क्या ना रामू आप यहाँ से कब से हैं? 25 साल.
Wow,
अरे यार आप लोग बहुत
old
legacy
timers,
हैं.
bro. That says a lot about Vitthal. I mean, they treat their staff really well. bro.
एक चना चाट एक मूंग चाट एक आलू गार्लिक
आलू गार्लिक फ्राई तुम्हें खाना चाहिए.
नहीं, this is looking so healthy. मूंग स्प्राउट है
हाँ
भाई.
भाई हेल्दी तो ठीक है भाई लेकिन
जगह ही नहीं है पेट में.
दारू के
मतलब
लिए जगह कैसे
एक
बचेगी
बाइट
सर?
खा लेंगे बस.
खाना क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन हम इतना खा नहीं सकते.
नहीं खा सकते.
पकोड़ा सिंग पापड़ चटनी ये सब 4-5 आइटम कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ना
ये फ्री मिलता है
सबके साथ.
Now it makes sense.
चल.
Down. Cheers.
Like we're in the eating contest, bro.
अरे क्या मुंह में देना नहीं आ रहा क्या? They're very homely पहली बात, you can tell that if they're fresh.
Yeah, लगा जी जान से बनाई
जी
है
हाँ, मतलब दिल से बनाई है.
हाँ.
This drink we're going to toast to our friend and subscriber to our channel and fellow drinking enthusiast Faizan Ahmed 5513.
You're his drink buddy now, bro. He's your drink buddy.
Drink buddy Faizan Ahmed 5513. Cheers to you, brother.
Cheers, bro, Faizan. Cheers.
Shout out to you, brother.
Shout out to Bihari Trader, bro.
I'll give
Trade
you
on.
bars like these, like dive bars. It's
Yeah.
slightly more
Yeah.
yacht, janta, whatever, Kit Kat,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
Vitals. Is that something that you enjoy every time you end up going to bars like these?
Definitely, because there's such, I don't know, warmth.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
there's no pretense.
Yeah.
At a high class place, you'd be like, oh, maybe I'm being too loud.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's easy on the pocket, so
Oh, for sure.
that's always great.
It feels like drinking in someone's large communal home where everyone is welcome.
चार लोग
लो
आते
भाई,
हैं,
even
How I Met Your
amazing,
Mother,
How I Met Your Mother scene.
क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ जो माहौल सेट हुआ हुआ है ना ब्रो, तुम रिलैक्स हो जाओगे ब्रो, और जरूरत नहीं है कि मतलब ड्रंक होके जाओ यहाँ से, चिल करके जाओ भाई, एक दो ड्रिंक भी मारनी वो भी करो, जो करना है करो.
Thank you so
बात
much.
है
Thank you so
क्या?
much. हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने appreciation दिखाया. Okay, amazing.
बहुत सही, बहुत सही.
Sir is so sweet. He asked for our channel's name and he subscribed to it while we were sitting here because he heard what we were talking
Yeah.
about. And that's what we want. भाई ये जगह पिछले 5 मिनट में एकदम से 4 टेबल भर गई है. सर विट्ठल भेल वाला शोपीस है भाई भेल का यहाँ पे. मजाक नहीं है यहाँ का भेल. Is this Mr. Vittal?
No, he is my father.
अच्छा, that's your father.
इनके दादा was विट्ठल,
अच्छा.
मेरे परदादा.
आप लोगों का सारा खाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा फैंटास्टिक है. 150 साल पुराना एस्टैब्लिशमेंट है, लेगेसी है फैमिली की. कैसा?
It's a very good feeling in the sense that not many outlets are still running in Bombay which can claim this legacy.
Yeah.
See, and secondly, I'm happy to see that the next generation is ready.
Yeah, this is Kavya, 5th generation Vittal family. So how does it feel, yeah?
It feels amazing. It feels really great to be part of something so old, so traditional, so established, and it just feels I'm part of something really greater than myself.
Okay, amazing, yes.
See, Vittal's is a non-pretentious place. After being here from my 8th standard, I'm in this line and I met with Vittal's.
Yeah.
So I understand one thing, that what people want is a homely feel. इसको पता है ये 1 घंटा ही बैठेंगे approximately, then he will go home, he will not have food, he will have food. 80% of my customers are all regular. And secondly is non-compromise with quality. See, I can get cheap stuff,
Yeah,
I can get outside stuff,
yeah.
थोड़ा पैसा बनेगा भी, but that's not it.
Punjabi dishes that you get here, you would not think it is a Punjabi that I'm having at Belpuri Hawa.
Thank you so much for having us, for showing us what a 150-year-old legacy, great, homely, amazing, warm bar looks like. And we come here again at another 50 years, 200 years. Yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you're running it.
Yeah, she will be.
When are we taking over the Vittal Empire?
Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much. You are the one. चलो भाई, चल, we'll see you at शेरे पंजाब. मैं आता हूँ भाई के साथ. ठीक है?
Let's go. I'm a rocker man. I'ma lock it down. I'm always on the grind.
अरे ये भी कोई 150-200 साल पुरानी जगह है, पंचमपुरी वाला. यहाँ पर मैं खाना खाने पूरी खाने आया था एक बार लंच के लिए. अगेन आइकॉनिक स्पॉट. पता चला शेरे पंजाब तो वेज रेस्टोरेंट है. वेज रेस्टोरेंट विदाउट ड्रिंक्स वो हम नहीं कर सकते. बट ही इज सेड कि ये सामने वाला पंजाब सिंध रेस्टोरेंट है, यहाँ दारू मिल रही है तो हम आ जाए.
In the forest, I'm singing in the storm. Put it on the line. I'ma risk it all. My feet up.
तूने लंदन क्विक पिए कभी? वो बॉम्बे की आइकॉनिक बियर है.
चलो यार वो भी नहीं
हाँ भाई ये लॉबस्टर बाइट इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. पेट बहुत भरा हुआ है यार. भाई ये चखना फ्री है यार. यही तो बात है इन जगहों की यार. ये भाई बढ़िया लग रहा है. कहाँ से है भाई?
मैं झारखंड से.
झारखंड से. अच्छा सही.
To my dear friend Shivam.
Cheers. Cheers boys.
Cheers. May this show conquer all greater heights.
Oh man. Cheers.
Cheers.
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी की शक्कर और बियर यार.
I want something else in my mouth. Then.
Well, say no more brother. ये मुझे मैंने भी नहीं पी थी. मैंने भी लाइफ में दूसरी या तीसरी बार पी रहा हूँ. पहली बार मैं इस शो के जो पहला एपिसोड हमने शूट किया था जनता पे, वहाँ पे मैं अभिनव के साथ जो हमारा कॉलीग है उसके साथ गया था. वो बंदा मतलब वो मैं कैसे समझाऊं, वो कितनी सस्ती दारू पीने में बिलीव करता है.
अच्छा.
उसको लग रहा मतलब उसको ओल्ड स्ट्रीट में कह रहा महंगा है वो. मतलब
13,000 में बिल बना, मेरा बाप मेरा गांड काट लेगा.
London Pilsner.
ये क्या बकचोदी है भाई?
अरे यार.
तुम मेरी शक्तियों को गलत इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है.
Cheers.
अच्छा, आपने इधर डाल दी.
हाँ, मैं तो कोरोना ही पीना चाहता हूँ. Premium beer.
Okay, lots of oil. Not the worst I've had, also not the best I've had. I feel like it's like a 6 or 10.
First Szechuan chutney I've had. It's good. Pretty good. We're gonna have a chana now. Oh shit.
Okay. एक साथ है. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Daru.
Opening shot मिल गया. What is the bill?
$2,000.
Here you go, boys.
1,500.
That's actually pretty good, man. That's pretty good. There's also a downstairs area that we weren't sitting in because it's non-AC, but I will show you how it looks. बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. The servers were very very sweet. Come to Punjab Sindh restaurant. अभी एक बंदा हम जा रहा था, उसने पूछा कि आप दोनों को रूम चाहिए क्या? I might seem like a rough and tough guy, guys, but honestly, I'm a big gardening dude. I love plants. I'm a little flower man. ये कहाँ जा रहा है? बांद्रा. वैसे जा तो मेरे डायरेक्शन में ही रही थी, लेकिन मेरे को शूट करना है, वो हंस रहा है बंदा देख के. तो ये हमने बाहर देखा था, इसका नाम है न्यू मजेस्टिक रूम, न्यू मजेस्टिक रेस्टोरेंट एंड परमिट रूम.
कितनी बार बोल
ओपन है?
बाहर ओपन है.
हम अंदर गए, हमने टेबल भी पकड़ी, बट
निकाल लिया बेंच.
निकाल दिया बेंच. थोड़ा हॉस्टाइल एनवायरनमेंट था, तो अब हम बाहर आ गए. एंड आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज मैकडोनल्ड्स.
What's this new technique?
भाई,
पता नहीं क्या शॉट ले रहे हैं भाई.
oh bro, I love that, dude. I love the commitment that's going on there. That's the commitment I expect from my girlfriend whenever I have one. If I pose, pull out 2 phones.
You just pull out.
Yeah. तो भाई कैसी रही रात?
गजब भाई.
Let's talk about विट्ठल.
विट्ठल तो भाई इतना होमली वाइब, इतना मस्त, मतलब कि और इतना खिलाया उन्होंने यार.
हाँ.
घर की याद आ गई ब्रो, ऑनेस्टली. मतलब
Yeah.
इतना प्यार से उन्होंने रखा हमें. बहुत ही अमेजिंग. और मतलब मैं अदिशी और आदिदेव को लेके आने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
तो मतलब that says everything.
Why we didn't show you the bill at Vittal's is because they refused to give us the bill. They were so kind and so warm
bro, kya
that they overfed us firstly. Apart from that, I think it is slightly pricier for, I mean, not really though, but I feel if you compare to other dive bars, but I think the vibe of that place is absolutely worth it. It's such a nice, warm place. The people, the staff has been working there for 25, 30 years.
That
and
says everything,
that
bro.
says everything,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
That says everything. Any place which sort of treats its workers that well will always, I believe, treat its customers as well. And it felt like that.
Yeah,
The few people we spoke to, the servers we spoke to, the
Yeah.
family we spoke to, it's a great place. The bhel puri, of course, the sev puri, the food is spot on. Second place, bhai, Sindh Punjab restaurant. That was a discovery. Yeah? How was that?
Bro, we didn't know that place existed. हम किसी और जगह गए, वहाँ पर दारू नहीं मिलती, तो सामने ये जगह थी, हम चले गए उसमें. वहाँ भी बढ़िया था ब्रो. और ये लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इतनी चीजें दे रहे हैं यार.
Yeah. Even the other place, Sindh Punjab, been around since 1939.
Fuck bro.
The menu at Sindh Punjab was big, bro.
Massive bro. Massive
Like,
variety. Fuck.
हमने इतना खा लिया था. I really wish we could have eaten something
Yeah, we
because
didn't give them a fair try. But
yeah, I feel like the food may be great. We don't know. If you've been there, tell us how the food is. That's in Punjab. Final verdict, I feel both of these places, warm, nice dive bars that we have discovered in the CST area. And you should definitely check them out whenever you get a chance. Let us know what you feel about them. Any last words, brother?
what you said, bro?
What I
Exactly
said.
you said. He's the man, bro. He's the man.
He is
for
the
you.
man as well.
Unsobered.
Unsobered as fucking hell right now. Like, share, subscribe. And we're gonna go check out some vada pav at Amar Vada Pav.
आराम.
Aram Vada Pav, sorry. And
Aram
then also do a little McDonald's.
भाई इतनी बड़ी जगह कहाँ है?
कैमरा के लिए बिकॉज मुझे एक्चुअली मुझे मैकडॉनल्ड्स खाना है.
चल फिर मैकडॉनल्ड्स चल ब्रो. क्या
तुम्हें मीट चाहिए यार. I need
हाँ,
some
और
protein. You
क्या?
know what I'm saying? Because that is the icing on the cake. That is the McAloo tikki on my dick. Okay, sorry. Let's go.